This RE/MAX Select Property video is presented by Tracy Wisnant. Beautiful, well-maintained 3-bedroom, 2-bath vinyl ranch home on approximately 1.513-acre lot in Sable Ridge subdivision. Home is built with an open floor plan and has a vaulted ceiling in the common area. Living room has a fireplace with gas logs. Kitchen has a center island with breakfast bar. The refrigerator remains. Dining room has a French door to the rear deck. Primary bedroom has a tray ceiling. Laundry room is spacious and has a sink. Home has a covered front porch, a rear deck and a rear patio. So many places for relaxing and enjoying the great outdoors or entertaining. The rear patio is built of pavers and has a fire pit in the center. The patio is wired and has 3 electrical outlets, so you can enjoy the outdoors at night. This home is outside of the city limits, yet in a convenient location not far from town. Shopping, dining, entertainment, medical, etc. This home is a must-see. For more information,